Initially, this wasn't a dungeon town. It was a normal town, but the emergence and proliferation of the dungeon has changed commerce in the region, and a common urban myth has sort of
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
coming to this place seeking glory and wealth. And now, it is your turn. What lies ahead of you? Well, you're not quite sure. I'm sure you have some ideas and varying levels of experience. You've been assembled by your tiny friend, Noni, a half